Hey everybody, we're back with more Revit training in our basic families series, and this is our cabinet we created. This is mahogany cabinet, and we're gonna go and briefly look at our parameters we created. So in our type properties, see these are all our parameters. We got the height, the base, the frame, and width, and we're gonna go and look at this in our project browser. Look at the front level, the front elevation. Whoops, sorry. This is the reference level here. We set these up. Now, if you didn't see, we set this up. You can look at it in the previous video to show you how this is done. Now, we got all these parameters done. So now this is how this is going to work with our types. So we can make this any type we want, to be honest with you, which is a good thing. So what we're going to do, we're going to go and look at a project. We're going to put this in a project and see how this is going to work. So we're going to go into our second floor of this project we've done. I've done this in one of my classes before. I'll just delete that and that for now. And I'm going to go back into my window tile here. And I'm going to go into our family here. And I'm going to just load this one into our project. So I'm just take this one here, load into project. Oh, sorry, this one. In this project, into project. And then I'm going to go here in this project now. I should have a component here, I think. Protective tab, component, place component, and there's our cabinet. So we'll just place it right there for now in our kitchen area. Now we're going to look at this project in our 3D view here. I want to just tab this view here. Fit it. And so there's our cabinet I just placed there. So what we can do with this cabinet now, we can copy it. Let's do this in 3D view. Well, I think we want to do it in the floor plan. So in this view, let's copy this cabinet. Let's copy this guy to here. And then we want to select it and we'll duplicate it. From our properties dialog, edit type, we'll say duplicate, and then this is say bookcase, and we can call it whatever. I'm going to just say this is bookcase 3, and then I'm going to say okay, and then we're going to just change some things here. Let's make this wider. Let's make this 5 feet wide. And then let's make it 6 feet high. And we click apply. Okay. So now we've got 2 cabinets here. Wow. 2 shelves. And we can go have a look at that in our 3D view here. So there's our 2 shelves that we would have. So what happens with these families that we created, we can go and actually create many different types. So that's why it's called a family. So if I go back into my floor plan view, this is the family that we created, sorry. In my second floor plan, let's copy another one. Let's copy it here and rotate it. Let's make this one really. Okay, I'm going to just rotate this around here like so. Oh, sorry. Okay, delete that. Delete that. And let's move this guy here. And let's edit this type. And let's duplicate him. Let's speak bookcase 4 or whatever you want to call it. Say okay. Now let's make this one a little narrow one. This one will be, let's make this 3 feet wide. And let's drop it down to 5 feet. Apply. Okay. So now, see how that changed some. This gives you a good idea. I just want to make this video to show you how this all is going to work in my 3D view here. So there's a smaller cabinet that we just created. So, and we can also do what we call instance parameters, where we can change them. But mostly for furniture, the best way to go is to use these types. So I can, like I said, this is a family, and this thing can basically change to anything I want when I want it. And we just basically set our parameters up to be able to show the different parameters and types. So we can change this to anything we want within reason. And that's how we do what we call is a family type. And like I said, here we've changed this one family to all these different types. So I can grab him here. Actually, I can go edit him now. I can say, let's make this short because our height should be good. Let's make this a 3 foot. I might break this thing here. And let's make this 6 feet wide. Let's see what happens. So there you go. Nice, small, short case. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this all the time. See you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.